Hello and welcome back to Info Index. In this video, I'll be teaching you the angle theorems you need when first starting geometry. First, let's go over the basics. A zero angle is an angle that is 0 degrees. An acute angle is an angle that is between 0 and 90 degrees, but not including 0 or 90. A right angle is an angle that is exactly 90 degrees. An obtuse angle is an angle that is between 90 and 180 degrees. A straight angle is an angle that is exactly 180 degrees. A reflex angle is an angle that is between 180 and 360 degrees. Supplementary angles are angles that add up to 180 degrees. And finally, complementary angles are angles that add up to 90 degrees. When two lines intersect as such, angle A is equal to angle C by the opposite angle theorem. The opposite angle theorem states that two angles opposite from each other are equal. This means A and C are equal and B and D are equal. Here's the proof. Angle A plus angle B have to add up to 180 degrees. This is because they are adjacent angles, which are supplementary. Angle B plus C must also do the same. Now if you subtract the two equations from each other, angle A plus angle B minus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 minus 180. This means that angle A minus angle C is equal to 0. Therefore, angle A is equal to angle C. Angle B is also equal to angle D, and similarly we can prove that. Angle B plus angle C equals 180 degrees because they're adjacent and supplementary. Angle C plus angle D is also equal to 180 because they're also adjacent and supplementary. Angle B plus angle C minus angle C plus angle D is equal to 180 minus 180. This means angle B minus angle D is equal to 0. Therefore, angle B is equal to angle D. First example, find the missing angles. Feel free to pause on any question and try to do it yourself first. Angle A plus angle B add up to 180 degrees. This is because they are adjacent and supplementary. This means that angle A is equal to 180 degrees minus angle B. So it's 180 degrees minus 120 degrees, which is equal to 60 degrees. Angle B is equal to the opposite angle, which is 120 degrees, by the opposite angle theorem you just learned about. Angle C is equal to the opposite angle, which is angle A, which is 60 degrees. If there is a pair of parallel lines with another line passing through them, called the transversal, then the corresponding angles are the same. Corresponding angles are angles that share the same position. For example, angle A shares its position with angle E, therefore they are the same. Angle B shares with angle F, angle C equals angle G, and angle D equals angle H. Now, for the parallel line theorem, this theorem states that angle A is equal to angle G because they are alternate interior angles. There are angles on the inside of the parallel lines, but on the opposite sides of the transversal. Here is the proof. Angle A is equal to angle C from the opposite angle theorem. Angle C equals angle G, which are corresponding angles. Therefore, angle A is also equal to angle G. Similarly, we can prove that angle D equals angle F, and this also works for alternate exterior angles, which are angles on the outside of the parallel lines and also on the opposite sides of the transversal. We can prove that angle B is equal to angle H and angle C equals angle E. We can say that angle A plus angle F is equal to 180 degrees. This is because they are interior angles. The parallel line theorem states that interior angles and exterior angles will always add up to 180 degrees. And here's the proof. Angle A is equal to angle E by corresponding angles. Angle E plus angle F is 180 degrees. This is because they are adjacent and supplementary. This means that angle A plus angle F is equal to 180 degrees. Similarly, we can prove that angle D plus angle G is 180 degrees, angle B plus angle E is 180 degrees, and angle C plus angle H is also equal to 180 degrees. Second example, find the missing angles by using parallel line theorems and corresponding angles. Angle D is equal to 100 degrees. This is because they are corresponding angles. Angle C plus 100 degrees is equal to 180 degrees by the parallel line theorem, which is 80 degrees. Angle G plus angle D also add up to 180 by the parallel line theorem. This means that angle G is 180 minus angle D, which is 100 degrees. That makes angle G 80 degrees. Angle A equals angle G equals 80 degrees as well. Angle B plus 100 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. That means angle B is equal to 80 degrees. Angle E equals to angle A, which is equal to 80 degrees. Angle F plus angle A is equal to 180 degrees, which means angle F is 180 degrees minus A, or minus 80 degrees, which is 100 degrees. Finally, we look at angles inside and outside a triangle. The interior angles of a triangle, the angles on the inside of the triangle, always add up to 180 degrees. In equilateral triangles, all of the sides are equal, so the interior angles are also equal. This means that A is equal to B is equal to C. That must mean all of the angles are 180 degrees divided by 3, which is 60 degrees. In an isosceles triangle, the two angles that are not between the equal sides are equal. This means angle D is equal to angle F. However, the angle in between, which is angle E, is different. The exterior angle of a triangle is the angle you get on the outside of the shape when you extend one side of the triangle or any polygon in general. If you look at this diagram, the exterior angles of this are alpha prime, beta prime, and gamma prime. Alpha, beta, and gamma are symbols we use for angles. The exterior angles in triangles always add up to 360 degrees. In fact, the exterior angles of any shape will always add up to 360 degrees. The exterior angle theorem states that in a triangle, the exterior angle is greater than any of its remote interior angles. Remote interior angles are the angles inside of the triangle that are the furthest away from the exterior angle. This means beta prime is larger than gamma or alpha. Alpha prime is larger than gamma or beta, and gamma prime is greater than alpha or beta. In fact, the exterior angle is equal to the sum of its remote interior angles. So alpha prime is equal to beta plus gamma, beta prime is equal to alpha plus gamma, gamma prime is equal to beta plus alpha. Now for example 3, find the missing angles. We are given one of the exterior angles, which is 100 degrees. From this, we know that angle C is 180 degrees minus 100 degrees because they are supplementary angles. Angle A must equal angle C, which is 80 degrees because it is an isosceles triangle. Angle B is equal to 180 degrees minus 80 degrees minus 80 degrees. which is 20 degrees, because the sum of the interior angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. Now this is the last example, which incorporates everything learned in this video. Find the missing angles. Let's start with angle G. Angle G is equal to 180 minus 110 degrees. This is because they are supplementary angles. Angle G would then be 70 degrees. Angle E is equal to angle G, which is equal to 70 degrees because they are opposite angles. Angle F is equal to the opposite angle of 110 degrees. Angle F plus angle A is 180 degrees from the parallel line theorem. This means angle A is 180 degrees minus angle F, or 70 degrees. Angle A plus angle B is equal to angle G plus 30 degrees. Angle B would then be 30 degrees plus 70 degrees minus 70 degrees. This is due to the exterior angle theorem, which means angle B is equal to 30 degrees. Angle D plus angle G plus 30 degrees add up to 180 because the sum of the interior angles of a triangle are 180. This means angle D is 180 degrees minus 30 degrees minus angle G. This makes angle D equal to 80 degrees. Now angle C is equal to angle A, which is 70 degrees because they are opposite angles. I hope you all learned a lot in this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more future content.